Ever wondered how some people can effortlessly charm others and spark interest within moments of meeting? Here's the secret. It's all about the art of flirting. Now, this video is all about unveiling the secrets to flirting like a pro. Step 1. Confidence is key. Believe it or not, confidence is the foundation of successful flirting. It's all about how you carry yourself. Stand tall, maintain eye contact, and smile. Your confidence will shine through and attract others to you. Comment if you agree. Step 2. Master the art of conversation. Flirting is not just about what you say, but how you say it. Be genuinely interested in the person you're talking to. Ask open-ended questions and listen to their responses. Show your interest by repeating some of their words and phrases back to them. Write some conversation do and don't, and guide your opposite gender in the comment box. Let's help each other. Step 3. Use body language to your advantage. Subtle touches on the arm or shoulder, leaning in during conversation, and mirroring their body language can create a sense of connection and intimacy. Step 4. Be playful. Flirting should be light-hearted and fun. A little teasing, a playful nudge, or a witty comment can make the interaction more enjoyable and memorable. Remember, the goal is to make them smile and feel good about themselves. Step 5. Give compliments, but be sincere. Compliments can make someone feel noticed and appreciated. However, it's important to be genuine. Comment on something you genuinely like about the person, like their sense of humor, their style, or their perspective on a topic. Step 6. Know when to back off. It's important to read cues and know when the other person is not interested or uncomfortable. If they're not responding positively to your advances, it's time to step back. Remember, flirting is an art, and like any art, it takes practice. So go out there, start practicing, and soon you'll be flirting like a pro.